Friends, welcome again into yet another session of mathematics into my YouTube channel, Maths with Mukesh Raj. So, it has been a long time that we have not met, friends, but still, I'm here once again with the topic of 10th CBSE, and we were dealing with the chapter trigonometry. And I'm going to continue with the same. So, let's not waste the time. But before that, I would request all my friends, those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So, without wasting any time, let us switch on to the topic trigonometry as we were dealing with the trigonometry. And today we will be continuing with the topic trigonometry, and we are going to solve a problem. A solve problem for all my friends who has been not able to see me actively working into my YouTube channel. So this will not happen from now on. And so continuing. Friends, as you can see there on the screen, there is a question where the question says that there is a triangle. Obviously, it will be a right angle triangle because we are dealing with trigonometry. So no trigonometric ratios or none of the trigonometric values could be applied on any non-right angle triangle. So obviously, so the triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and it is being right angled at a point at a vertex B with the given parameters where the side AB is given as 7 centimeters and the sides the difference of the side AC and BC equals to that of the value 1 centimeter. Now the question says we have to find out the value of sine C and cos C. Let's see how we can do that. First of all, into the very first instance, what we have to do here is we will have to first draw a right angle triangle. Let us draw a right angle triangle, and into this right angle triangle, this one is right angle. So with this right angle, I can say that this is the side, this is the vertex B as per the question. Then obviously this will become angle A, and this the top one becomes the angle C. Sorry, the top one becomes the angle C. With this parameters, it is said that side AB is 7, so I'm marking it with 7 centimeters. Now, once we have marked this, but the problem is that none of the other two sides are given to us. Neither the hypotenuse, that is AC, nor the opposite side of the angle A, that is BC. If it would have been given to us, we would have very easily found out this cos C as well as the sin C. Now, but still there is a way to find it out, and let's explore that way to find out the value of sin C and cos C. That means the cos and sine values of angle C. Okay. Then the next parameter that is given, it says that AC minus BC is equal to 1 centimeter. So what I'm going to do here is, let us assume that let AC is equal to x centimeters. Then in this light, if I'm assuming that AC is equal to x centimeters, so then the value of BC will be equal to AC minus 1 centimeters. I hope all of my friends would be able to understand or would have got this point, that how we have obtained this parameter. Now marking these values which I have obtained here, x and then AC minus x, which is equal to x, since we have taken AC as equal to x, so x minus 1 centimeter. So I can write here x minus 1. With these values, let us move ahead and solve the question. The first thing is that into a right angle triangle, we know that by the Pythagoras theorem, okay, by the Pythagoras theorem, that is PT in short, I can write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And putting all the values together, AC we know that it is x square, AB which is equal to 7 square, means AB is 7, so the square value will be 7 square, then plus value of BC is x minus 1 raised to the power 2. Fine. Now solving this equation, we will be getting values like this: x square is equal to 49 plus x square minus 2x plus 1. And from here, if we expand it further, we would be able to see that x square is equal to 49 plus x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 1. Then, as we know, from here, this x and this x will get cancelled out because they are having the same sign, but they are on the opposite sides of the equal to sign, so they will get cancelled out each other. And then what I'm going to do here is I am going to bring this 2x onto the left hand side, and then right hand side will be left with a value that is equal to 50. 49 plus 1, that accounts to be equal to 50. From here, if I get the value of x as equal to 25 centimeters. Now we have seen that we have already assumed that x is equal to the hypotenuse of the triangle, that is AC. So here we have obtained the value of AC. Now if we talk about the value of BC, that is the other side, so BC is going to be equal to 25 minus 1, which is equal to 24 centimeters. Fine. Again, now we have been calculated all the parameters of the triangle. So once again, I'm going to draw the triangle for you friends. From here, you would be able to identify all the sides, length of all the sides, B, C, and A. AB was given as 7 centimeters, so 7. And from the calculation, we have obtained AC equal to 25. And then BC is equal to 24. Fine. Now with these parameters, we have to calculate the value of sine C and cos C. Okay, but before that, let us write down these facts that how they can be related to each other. See, we know that if we are going to find out this one, AC, means sine of angle C and cos of angle C. For that, we have to first identify the adjacent side. Adjacent. Okay, or it is also known as the base, which is equal to BC. Fine. Then opposite. Okay, which is also known as the perpendicular, which is equal to AB. And then finally the hypotenuse, which is the most important thing. So hypotenuse is equal to AC. Now if we are known with this, we can proceed and directly apply the formula to calculate the required trigonometric ratio. The required trigonometric ratio, that is sine C is equal to, with respect to the sides, sine of any angle is equal to that of the opposite upon hypotenuse. So it is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Fine. Now here we know that from this diagram that we have already seen, just see the opposite and the hypotenuse. Opposite is equal to AB, and then hypotenuse is the AC. Putting the values of AB and AC, AB is 7 and AC is 25. So here comes 7 upon 25. So the value of sine C that we have obtained here as a result of calculation is 7 upon 25. Similarly, we can calculate the value of cos C. So the value of cos C will be, we know that cos of any angle is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. And adjacent over here is nothing but it is BC, and the hypotenuse remains same, because in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse will never change, and that hypotenuse is AC. Putting out the values, the parameters, then the BC is equal to 24 and hypotenuse is 25. So this accounts us and get the value of, we would able to return to get the value of cos of the angular value C. So by this calculation, we had reached to the value of sine and cos for the angle C. So that is all from my end into this session, dear friends. So very shortly, I will be back with some specific trigonometric ratios in the next session. Hope you would have understood. And once again, I would request all my friends to please